Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to make a handmade bag. Let me start by introducing the materials we'll need. Handmade cotton bag. Finish size. 22 centimeters wide, 26 centimeters high. Materials needed. Fabric, 1 pieces of 24 centimeters, 54 centimeters. Straps, 2 pieces of 6 centimeters, 30 centimeters. Matching thread. Pins or clips. Scissors or rotary cutter. Ruler or measuring tape. Iron and sewing machine. Instructions. Step 1. Make the handles. Fold the 4 centimeters, 54 centimeters fabric strap in half lengthwise. Sew along the open edge with a 0.5 centimeters seam allowance. Step 2. Sew the bag body. Fold the outer fabric in half, aligning the edges. Sew both sides and the bottom with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Step 3. Attach the handles. Turn the outer bag right side out. Pin the handles to the inside of the bag. Position each handle about 4 centimeters from each side seam, with the raw edge of the handle aligned with the top edge of the bag. Sew in place to secure. Make sure the handles are not twisted. Sew the handles in place using a straight stitch line 3 times for extra durability. Backstitch at the start and end. If needed, the handles in place by stitching a rectangle or a square with an X inside for extra strength, about 2 centimeters down from the top edge. Repeat for the second handle on the opposite side. After making the bag, decorate it beautifully with fabric markers. Stay tuned for my next project. I'll be making a cool science kit. Have an awesome day.